guys, I'm going to be doing some burps. So, I haven't been doing YouTube videos lately, mainly because I don't feel like it, because what's the point? I get no support. But, yeah. So, let's get to the burps. I'm terrible now. I'm doing a YouTube video in a second. Sorry, I have stuff all over my face. I'm rusty. Haven't done burps for a while. Yeah, I'm terrible. Oh my god. Hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and please help my channel grow because it's not growing worth shit. So, peace.